Hey guys, today here at Cali LED, we're going to be showing you one of our new products. It's our bed MOLLE system for the 2005 to current models Toyota Tacoma. This is a great new product that we're now offering. It's all laser cut, super nice, comes powder coated, ready to bolt onto your truck. We're going to do a little tutorial video today showing you how it installs. So just to give you a little rundown about this panel before we go install it, we offer two options when purchasing. You can either buy the single back panel or you can buy the full length setup, which actually goes up to the end of your bed. So you get the full kit with we provide bumpers so that nothing scratches your bed. It's full bolt-on, uses your factory rail system on your Tacoma. Another question we get is if it'll work with the factory cover. The answer is yes, it does, because the factory cover does not relocate your bed channel. So it's real nice. So before we get going on the install, we're just going to kind of give you a rundown of what you get with the kit. So when you order the kit, you get the MOLLE panels, you get the hardware, you get everything. So for the install, all you're going to need is you're going to need your socket, and you're going to need a T30, and then you're going to need your 7/32. So we provide all the hardware, and then you're also going to need a 7/16 wrench with your Allen head to get if you connect the panels to each other. But if you have just the one panel, you're not going to need that. So yeah, let's get the install going. Okay, so for the first panel, it installs at 4 locations. So it installs using the upper bolt here, the upper bolt there, and then we provide you with 2 T-slot nuts to go in your bed rail. We already put these T-slot nuts in here because we have our overland bed rack on this truck, so we had to remove these feet to get these T-slots in. So basically you're going to take your T30 and you're going to remove these the 2 outer upper bolts, like so. And we can just set them right there, and then we get the other side. Also, this works perfect with our bed channel stiffeners. There's no interference with that. It also works with our overland bed rack, and it also works with our CB bed accessory mounts as well. So you can kind of get our full bed system, and it'll all work together, and you won't have any interference anywhere. So now what we're going to do is we're going to place these over those existing holes and just put these bolts back in to their original locations. Just going to get them hand tight. Same with this one, just so it'll stay and we don't have to hold it anymore. So now we got those in there. I'm going to go and grab our 2 bolts for our T-slot nuts. And we're just going to line our T-slot nuts up and get our bolts and thread them into the T-slot nuts like so. We also make this a little adjustable for if your rail system is a little bit different, or if it's been raised or lowered, you do get a little bit of play with it. Just so that if you got a little difference, we can make sure it works for your application. So that's how you install the first panel. This is how you install it if you were just going to be getting the first panel. If you're going to be installing the full setup, what you're going to have to do is the panels join right here with the 2 bolts we provide you. So what you're going to do is before installing, you're going to attach these 2 panels and then install them. So for this back panel, it fits over just the 1 T-slot and then the 2 bolts right there. You have to remove your little bed tie down because it'll hit. So it just attaches to the 1 T-slot there and then the 2 bolts there, and you're good to go. It's really nice with these little bumpers too, because when it's all tightened down and good, nothing will be damaging your bed. Also is it keeps it away so you can fit your MOLLE items down through, and it's not wanting to pull it up against the bed. So we do all this for a reason. Head over to our website, guys, CaliRaysLED.com, and we have this all available. And then behind me, you're getting kind of a sneak peek at our rear MOLLE system. We're going to be launching here pretty soon. We're taking pre-orders for them right now, but we're going to be doing a video about these. But these are awesome. They go against the back end of your bed and fits really good. But yeah, you can mount your high lift jack to this, recovery gear, bags, all kinds of